Have you ever looked at a piece of code and thought, what does this even mean? If you're scratching your head over the line, return state, action.payload.data ID, action.payload.data in your reducer, you're not alone. Today we're diving into this syntax to uncover its secrets. I totally get it. Understanding JavaScript syntax, especially in the context of Redux Reducers, can be tricky. Many developers have faced this confusion, and it's completely normal. You're not alone in this. So let's set the stage. One user asked, what does the spread operator mean in this line of code? They provided a snippet from their reducer in a simple blog app, and it left them puzzled. If you've ever felt the same way, stick around as we break it down. To understand this line, we need to break it down. The spread operator, represented by 3 dots, allows you to copy properties from one object to another. In this case, it's merging the existing state with a new post. And trust me, you won't want to miss the practical example at the end that will solidify your understanding of this concept. To understand the line of code, let's break it down. The user sees the syntax return.state action.payload.data action.payload.data. This is using the spread operator. The spread operator, represented by 3 dots, allows the user to copy all properties from the existing state object into a new object. This means that the new object will have all the previous state properties. Next, the user sees the part action.payload.data ID action.payload.data. This is creating a new property in the object. The key is the unique identifier from the fetch post, and the value is the post data itself. So when this line of code executes, it returns a new state object that includes all previous posts plus the new post data under its unique identifier. This effectively updates the state with the new post. In summary, this line of code is a concise way to update the state in a Redux Reducer, ensuring that the application maintains its state immutably while adding new data. Fun fact, the spread operator was introduced in ES6, and it has made working with objects and arrays so much easier. It's like magic for developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the line of code creates a new object that includes all properties from the current state. It specifically updates the property identified by action.payload.data.id. This is important in Redux because creating a new state object signals that a change has occurred, prompting the component to re-render. Here's a quick tip. Whenever you see the spread operator, think of it as a way to create a new version of an object without altering the original. This is crucial in Redux for maintaining state immutability. And there you have it. Now you know what return state action.payload.data ID action.payload.data means in your reducer. Understanding these concepts will make you a better developer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.